What's up guys, Sese here. Today we will unbox this Mibox by Xiaomi. It is supposed to make my TV a little bit smarter because I have a 2010 LG TV here. So let's see how it goes and let's get started. Okay, so you'll see the features and what comes along inside the box, and then some description about Android TV, because this comes along with the Android TV OS from Google. If you open the box, you'll see some paperwork and a few more paperwork. And then you have the box itself. It's all black, chamfered edges, looks pretty clean with some dust. Okay, and then underneath you'll see your power cord. Yep, and then you have your remote control there with the dedicated Google Voice Assistant button, and you have your power adapter. That's it. Alright, hi guys. Right now we will be testing the Mi Box that we have just set up earlier. It is connected to a very old LED TV. It's like 20 years old now. The model says that it is a 2010 model. So we have just installed this Mi Box powered by Android earlier, and so far it is quite promising. Like, the features are really cool. I'm able to log into Netflix, and I'm able to log into other apps like Spotify, YouTube, and now I'm gonna try the Google Voice Assistant feature. So here we go. This is the remote that comes along with the Mi Box. It is pretty cool. It has its dedicated Netflix button, and there's a live button there. I haven't really tried that one out yet. Not sure what's that for. And then there's the the Google Voice Assistant button there, right below the power button there. So let's try it out. Search for puppy videos. Search for cooking videos. What time is it?
The time is 8:45 p.m.
Show me building videos.
Alright, here's building videos on YouTube.